Hello everyone, I will show you how to use customer list feature on BigSeller in this video. There are three ways to add a customer to BigSeller. The first one is auto-generated by BigSeller. When your order is sent to BigSeller, BigSeller will add a customer based on the receipt information and buyer ID in this order. If the buyer ID is same with the current one in customer list on BigSeller, it will not add a new customer, but connect this to the existing one. The second way is add a customer by manual orders. You can click here to add manual orders. For example, here you can enter the order information. And the buyer information. Here you can enter the detailed address. Select the product information. Then click Save. After creating these manual orders on BigSeller, this customer will be generated. And the final way is add a customer manually. You can go to Marketing Customer List. Click here to add a new customer. Here you can enter the basic information. Also, you can enter the Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, this contact information if you have. Next is the shipping address. If there are more than one address for this customer, you can click here to add a new address. And you can add up to 10 addresses for one customer. Then click Save. These are three ways to add a customer to BigSeller. All the customer will be shown here. Here you can check the customer name, phone number, email, total orders, total spent, sales, create a time, note, and some actions. You can click here to check these customer details. Here you can check the overviews for this customer, for example, the total orders, total spent, average order value, first order time, and last order time. Next is the basic information for this customer and the shipping address, also the order history. Okay guys, it is all about customer list on BigSeller. Please contact our customer service if you have any other questions.